Okay, so after the captioning has completed using the caption ASR tag, let's go back to the faculty tab in Blackboard. We'll scroll down to My Media again, click on that, and let's look at our video, see if it's completed. And I see now that I actually have tags in the video that have been added by the automated captioning. And these tags are searchable words that are kind of keywords that the automated captioning at least thought were keywords for adding to the video. So anyway, this is a visual indication that it has completed. I can go ahead and click the edit button again. And now I've played my video already, and I've noticed that I have a few errors in the captions, a few words that were muddled maybe and just didn't properly get captioned correctly. So I want to edit my captions and then re-upload. And it's actually a pretty straightforward process. So let's take a look at the default here is details, but we're going to go across to captions and click on that. And then I see down here that I have one set of captions. The file type is called SRT for caption file. And essentially what I need to do here is download this file and edit it, and then come back here and upload it to overwrite, or actually add to the caption list here. So let's do that. Let's click on this little button here for download. Using Chrome, I'll see that it's downloaded here. Now it's important to note before I open this that if it opens in anything other than Word, you may have a problem. You want to make sure that this opens in Microsoft Word for the proper formatting. I'm going to go ahead and click it. It does launch Word on my computer, and I see that it launches in a properly formatted captioning version here. You can tell it's captioning because it has the timestamps in there with milliseconds as well, and then the text that shows up during that time period. Okay, so for each of these caption periods, this is a short video, only 25 seconds long, so there's not a lot of captions. But I do know, looking at the captions and what's in the video, that there's a few mistakes. So I'm going to go ahead and correct those. Here it says Warm Studio, and that is actually one video selected. I'm looking at my screen, got my mouse movement, but I don't see that the video is going away even though the camera is on. Okay, I'm going to do camera is on. And the rest is probably fine. So all I'm going to do now, you don't want to save as. This is an SRT file, as you can see up here. It still says SRT. We're going to go ahead and save in that format. Microsoft Word is going to ask you if you want to keep it in that format, and you say yes. You want to preserve, want to essentially keep it in that format. So now I'm going to close the file as I've saved it, and then I'm going to upload the captions file. Now typically the files are saved on your computer in the downloads directory if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 10. So I'm going to click Browse, locate my English 7 SRT file, which was the last one I edited under my Downloads folder. Click Open. Okay, select the language, which is English, American, and I'm going to label this Edited Captions, and click Save. That will upload that file, and here is now on the website English American Edited Captions. Notice it didn't overwrite this file, it still left that one there. And next to it I have a black check mark. Well, I'm going to change that and set this one as the default captioning. Without removing this one, I can still keep that one up there if I wish. And this shows you that if you have even multiple language files, you can add additional languages of captions to this video that the player, the user can come up here and choose the different languages that show up. Okay, so that's now saved. We'll go back and refresh it here. I want to double check it. I'm going to click on Edit. Check my captions. Make sure they're all there. Now I see I've got English, and edited captions. Okay, so that's all you need to do to edit and upload your captions.